Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and set up online access with your Capital One. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store, search in the search bar for Capital One, and simply once you've searched for it, simply go ahead and download it by tapping on the download icon that's going to be right over here. And now I can simply go ahead and open it. Now, in order for me to go ahead and set it up online, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on this Setup Online Access button down here. You need to go ahead and enter your last name, your social security number or ITIN, and your date of birth. You could also use your bank account number instead of your social security account, and you can simply go ahead and tap on Find My Accounts. Once your account has been found, you can simply go ahead and set up a username and password, and there you go. That is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next